FX. Lord Banks FX welcomes you to this live stream of live Forex trading. A whole 3 hours of news.
We begin with that wild ride on Wall Street.
You're seeing new record highs on the S&P and NASDAQ.
Interviews.
Some will make money, some will lose money, but that's just the way the market's always worked.
Analysis and live trades. So sit back, lock in, and load up your trading terminals. And let's get this rocket to blast off. Introducing your host, Lord Banks FX. Prepare for launch in 3, 2, 1.
Yo, 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 what's good, everybody? We are back. We are back. Welcome to Lord Banks FX. We're back for another trading session here. How's everybody doing today? Ooh. Oh, man. What a day. All right. I'm going to jump right into it, guys. So GJ from yesterday came down. We took a sell a little too early, ended up hitting our stop loss minus 15 pips, and then ended up turning around, climbing all the way up here to the upside before hitting some support here and then continuing to the downside a little bit. It's still pushed up a bit. It's kind of, I mean, I think it's still overall bearish. But yeah, we had looked at a potential setup if we would have got the signal to do like during the New York session, but because of this whole wicked action, I didn't call it out, and good thing, because it would have came up here and almost, I mean, we had our projected stops up here, but you know, I wouldn't have liked this whole drawdown. So good thing we didn't call that out. Anyways, let's start from scratch here. Clean charts. You know how we do. So let's look at the weekly here. So what we're looking at, we're still looking bearish momentum on the weekly. Looks like we are coming to levels of support here. Right here. All these levels of support. I think that breaking this here will have some momentum to the downside, right? That's what it kind of looks like. All right, the daily. The daily, well, I mean, it's been bearish, like extremely bearish. But we have this candle here, probably for the last like 10 hours, that has been pushing to the upside. Could be a small correction, you know, forming some level of support here. Coincides with around this level where it was pushing up, came down. So retesting this level of support, depending on how it holds, could continue down or push up. You never know. But just an area we want to be aware of. 4 hour. Start marking up some of these zones here on the 4 hour. So directly here above, we see level of support there, or resistance, I should say. And then the support down here at the bottom. Right. This is a range right here of about 50 pips. Not bad. After this, we see a level down here. All right. And then above here, see this level right here. 1 hour. Looks like it's bouncing through this little range right here. At the 30-minute. Yeah, so the 30-minute here we have this level of support there. And breaking this would be it's about a 25 pip range. And then to the top here, it's a little. I mean, this is a 4-hour resistance, but it's also this little range, but it's only like 13 pips. Really not worth it at this point at this range. So maybe we look above that around this area. So we would say down here, breaking price the upside. We have a nice clean move right here to about 20 pips, potentially higher. But I would just target this right here, 2 pips the upside. Obviously we could probably wait for a break down here. Think that if we were to break under here, price is at see if this is a little bit more advantageous to us. Risk to reward. Oh, why? Not what I wanted. That's about a 38 pip range. Yeah, I like this way better. So that's our line there. We got to get through this 4-hour support. And then do we have anything better over here? If we were to come up over here, the range be on this. About 67 pips. So these below, above and above, like above this price and below this price, are a little bit more reasonable ranges for us because of the traffic that it has. Although there is this little 25 pip range here and then another small range right here. Man, but it's like be right here, 23. We have to determine like what's, you know, what's worth it to us, really. That makes sense. Like like every price area is just levels, you know, like this level and then this level and then this level. So you have to decide which level you want to go after, right? And although the most current levels are the ones right here and right here, these levels only have smaller potential. So sometimes it's not necessarily worth it to go for these small potential and go for these bigger ranges and zones, because not only will you have a higher probability, but you have cleaner traffic to gain more pips. What up, Mr. Greenish 27? Welcome back, bro. I hadn't seen you in a while. So we have to make a decision here. If if we want to go for the short-term range or for the long-term. But I'm gonna remove these here. See, even here to here is 16 pips. I mean, if we break down here, see what the 15-minute looks like. See this little level of support here? This is a nice range, but we may run into some issues right here. And then this could be a nice range, like above this. And then we could target this area, but here's the thing. We would have to put levels here, right? Like, be aware this level, you know, this level, this level. Like, all these are potential like levels where it could hinder us a little bit. And then to the downside here, you know, this level. What I would be looking at. This is what we can target. You guys see that? You trade New York. It's been busy, falling asleep during London session, barely waking up for New York. Yeah, dude. I haven't been trading New York, but yeah, I used to trade both London and New York, and then sleep after that. I'm trying to get some color here. Seems like there's like a lot of lines on the chart, and I like that. So we got potential 50 pips to the upside, potential 42 pips to the downside. You guys see that? See what the potential is here. All right. Sorry guys, I'm trying to update something real quick. All right. Gold do something. All right, so here's GJ setup, guys. This is what we're looking at. You know, we have a little bit of range to the upside here, a little bit of range to the downside. We just have to be aware of a couple of levels here that we may face some resistance moving to the downside. So either a setup that we get, it'll be something that we want to take. Let's look at gold. What is gold doing? What's up, Sonny? What's your take on gold? Damn, look at gold has just really been sideways. What is it doing? It's just like stalling out. Hey, but you know what's gonna happen, right? You know, the more it consolidates, the harder it's gonna move, like break out. And so, like, the longer it's been consolidating, the bigger the breakout. Because, like, think of it as just like loading up, right? Whether it goes up or down, I don't know which way it's gonna go, but I know when it goes, it's gonna be big. Look at this. I mean, you got this thing consolidating from the 23rd, 9 o'clock. It's about a day, 16 hours, so you can scalp it for $2 moves. That's about it. Been doing that today. Yeah, I'm sure you can. Like, I'm sure there's scalping opportunities, but overall, like, it's not clear direction, you know. Sure, like if I go down to the 5-minute, you know, I could probably see like these little quick moves you'd be in and out of. But even then, look at this consolidation. A little spike up, brought it right back down into the range. Spike up, brought it right back down into the range. So maybe this is an indication here. You know, what do you guys think? You think it'll come back up here, test the trend line for a third time before we see it breaking to the downside like this? Gonna have to go down lower than this. See that? Difficult because it is like up, down, down, up, up. Might as well put the contra code in. That's funny. Yeah, man. I mean, that's gold for you. But let's see what it's doing. Top-down analysis. I mean, we got bearish movement here, little pullbacks here and there, but even with this pullback here, bearish, came back up here. Stalling out right here, looks like it's forming some resistance, which makes sense. I mean, you got this area over here. And then I guess it's testing this. It's running between these two. This right here and this right here. So it looks like on the weekly, daily, I mean, we're still same type of pattern here. Push down. We got a low, lower low, lower low, lower low. But now this is pulling back up. So this could be one of these patterns. Right. That's what the daily looks like. Let's look at the 4 hour. Just make sure where the price is at over here. Oh shit, coming down. We have about 5 pips away from the downside. 11 minutes on the 30. Pretty good. We're looking at the 4 hour, right? Areas up here. And why is it clicking? I would like to see a breakout to the downside. Do this. Just testing multiple times down here. But overall, like it's moving down. Look at the 30-minute. So 30-minute we have area right here. And area down here. Break above here. Like 25 pip move. Not really what you would be like shooting for in gold, you know. I think this range here is larger than, yeah. So maybe better buys above here. Would this be 18, 40? Yeah, I don't know about this. I mean, like, this looks like an area right here. That above here, you have some nice clean traffic here, but the range is only 25 pips. Usually gold should have way more than that. Like 40 pip range right now. That's why, yeah. Yup. Even to the downside, breaking down below here. About 20 pips right there. Maybe 27. Pushing down to this side, 48. Maybe 48. And here we have some resistance right here, and resistance right here, and then resistance here. So that could be areas here, and we would just put lines here to recognize these areas of resistance. Those could be different target levels. The downside would be around here, around here. Now before you get down under here. Yeah, so I would say probably. Oh man, really? Because this wick, you would want to cover it, but. See what it look like. Yeah, I would say right. Yeah, I would say right above this area right here. And then to the downside, say right around here. So potential rise above 1737,925. $17.32,892. Yeah, I can check a fib for sure. Give me a second. Well, really, I mean, if you talking about a fib to the upside, it's past that here. But if we're talking about a fib to the downside, it's about that in that area. The 15-minute chart here, we got this push down, run a fib from the top to the bottom. Looks like it rejected right here, came down, still rejected here, and rejected again. So it's about 3 wicks right here that it's rejected. So maybe we get the breakout during London session. About to open up 6 minutes. Shall see, we shall see. There's a setup for gold, guys. Yeah, GJ. Okay, it looks like it came down close to our price and pushing back up. Need to find an unregulated broker with low spreads by Saturday. That's like, I mean, there's a bunch of unregulated brokers. I guess it depends what country you're from. Know which ones are available to you. Yes. Yeah, and what you're trying to trade. Not everybody offers everything. Eagle FX, LMFX is low spreads if you use a pro account. But commissions you pay are high. I've never tried those Eagle FX or LMFX. Let's look at what the news has to offer us today. March 25th, we have GBP at 430. And USD at 730. So those things you want to be aware of. Let's look at the Chinese indicator. Pretty much even right now. See what the losers are saying. They're still short. Oh, I want to look at my swing. Damn, look at my swings. Right now, you'd be about 250 pips in profit with this setup that I had. for our swing trade. We check it every day. Those that been coming on here. Wanda is good for regulated commission account for major pairs, but if you're going for higher leverage on regulated, also trade indices. Yeah. Some like US 30 action. This looks nice. I think the gold had, yeah, gold is like fizzling out here. I remember on this, once it broke here, I would have gotten out on this already. I would have gotten out a break even. So the only one I really have running is this GJ. That's not a good sign really, because out of the three, only one was playing out. Well, I've been for GJ, it's a good sign, but ooh, look, leaving this long wick. What you gonna do, GJ? You're gonna play nice today? Yeah, I got Hugo's way. I use Hugo's way. What EMAs? These are actually SMAs. Are these 8 and 50? Yeah, 8 and 50 SMAs. And I only use, like, part of this strategy is a combination of price action and the moving averages. That's why the moving averages are that. But my great day-to-day trading, I don't use those. Yeah, I use Hugo's way, man. Actually, I have a link in the description for the broker. Sorry, I was looking at some things here. Oh, look at GJ. See what the 5 minutes doing. And there's just no wick to the top over here on the 15-minute. What to do? What to do? What do you guys think? Okay, it's breaking. Thing is just needs to pull back, man. That's too big of a candle. Oh, got still 13 minutes. A nice 10 pip stop loss would be nice. Okay. All psychological stocks, Forex, everything. Kyle says, wait for break and retest. Yeah, that's a great strategy to trade as well. Not part of the strategy that I'm trading here, though. I'm just trading straight breaks, bro. Okay. Pulling back here. I'm not happy about not having a wick to the top on this previous candle. So hopefully this candle doesn't break below here. And then we have a better candle in the next one. That would make more sense for me. Oh man, I keep. Hey. Yeah, if I can maneuver this to have like a 10 pip stop loss, nice wick top, breaking down below, then I'll take the trade. Kind of waiting right now. Go ahead and set my markers here. So we start the live stream at 1:30 and we trade to 4:30. Been watching you for a couple days and I like your trade style. It's simple and effective. Appreciate it, bro. Appreciate it, man. And you know, there's tons of styles out there. There's tons of strategies like break and retest definitely works. You know, position trading, pattern trend trading. You know, if you use indicators, whatever. I know some people that are successful with that. But I use price action and breakout. Like I'm literally just identifying a range, the current range, and define trading a quick breakout. You know, this could easily come down, hit this level, and then turn around. Totally a possibility. But I'm just banking on the chance of probability that we'll make, you know, 10-15 pips here. And that's quick enough for me to trade it live, to be in and out within this session, like this parameter of time. And then I don't have to, like, that's my trading, right? So I don't have to be on the charts all day or be in a trade all day, you know. Personally, it works out a lot better for me. I got a lot of other shit going on during the day and I can't be worried about the charts. Or like concerned about being in a trade, swap fees, all kinds of crap. Okay. Oh. Could this be a rejection wick for me? Yeah, it could. I mean, remember I said I didn't like that there was no wick to the upside, and I was hoping it'd pull back. I mean, this is fine with me, to be honest, because I didn't like that candle, the way it was breaking. But I would much rather have this candle be, I mean, it could be respecting this level of support, and that's why this is our area that we wanted to close below, because the probability is a lot higher that if it closes below this level of support, that we move down further to test the next level. Right now, if here it rejected it, and then we see confirmations of bullish, then maybe it's going to come up here, and then we have an opportunity up here. So like, remember guys, our job is not to predict a price. Our job is to react to price. That's what we're doing. We're not, nobody knows where price is going. No, I don't care what they say. Like, it's our job is just to react to price. We're reacting to what's happening here, and making, you know, a theory of, if it comes below here, we could come down this way. If it comes above here, we could come up this way. That's all we're doing. And look, I mean, look at this. And even on the 30-minute, 15-minute, looks like it is rejecting to the downside. We have about 6.5 minutes left here, and this thing could close bullish, giving us more indication that it's going up. Or it could be, you know, if we run a little fib here, you know, it could be retracing to this area, rejecting to before it comes down. I mean, it already rejected once, so I mean, depending on how the candles print out here, obviously if it starts crossing this, then the probability is higher that we continue to the upside. And that's if I was using fibs. Like, that gives you an additional confirmation. But I'm not fib trading. I'm basing it off of that. All I'm basing this off of, like, this strategy, guys, is very simple. It's identify this current range that, like, you look at where price is currently at, and you look at a top and a bottom. That's it. This is the top and the bottom, and then you want to look at what is the potential beneath the bottom. See the clean traffic? What is the potential above the top? We have this little rough potential, but then after this we have a nice movement. So that's all this is. Just identifying the little box it's in, and then because it's got to go one or the other, like it's got to go up or down. So we want to be prepared, and once it gets to here, we just look for like a nice confirmation that it is moving that direction, and catch that trade. That's it. We got about 4 minutes on the candle. And it's pushing up. This could be a similar movement like yesterday. Remember the trade that we ended up losing, that we got in too early because it didn't close, and we got in and it just moved up on us. It just wicked the area. Well, we need confirmation by the candle closure. And I think this would be not bad. Potential like 40 pips, but I wish that the stop would be smaller, even if it's because of the wick here. Shall see, we shall see. Gold up to, oh, look, gold is moving down below. And we got about 2.5 minutes here. It's about a 20 pip stop loss for a potential 57. Not a bad setup here. Not a bad setup if it closes below here. What up, Fabian? How's it going? Welcome back, brother. All right. So we got about a minute and 50 seconds. And please don't melt. That would be horrible. What are you thinking, Sonny? Should we take a sell? No, I'm not in a trade yet, man. It's just now breaking underneath the price, waiting for confirmation. This is still, it pulled back here, so we're waiting on that. And but what setup would look better here? This is potentially 57 pips, risking 20, 2.86. This is risking 14, potentially 40, 2.9. It like breaks right below, and this thing is just melting, dude. Fuck, we maybe the 5 minute. No, it wouldn't have been. Thing is melting, dude. That not gonna give us. No, look, it's this would have been take profit one. About to hit that. Ah, dang. Levels 148.8. Man, gold. I'm not. You know what? You know what, gold? You can suck it. Look at gold, dude. It just fucking melted. It didn't even give us a chance. Like, it literally just melted and hit the first take profit level. Ah, you suck, gold. You suck. That's gold for you, man. And this thing's probably gonna break down. Look at GJ. It's like a GJ don't even know what to do right now. Oh my god. Not one of these sessions again. Look at that. Indecision. Damn, look at freaking gold, dude. Almost a 30 pip stop. Now. And you know, now it's like going bullish. Like, I'm sure it's gonna pull back. Yeah, this candle ruined it for us. Just ruined it. And look how it went literally to the, just hissed it and pulled back. Ah, good morning, good morning. What up, Steve? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome, welcome. Okay, so we have GJ set up here. And maybe this candle here be a better setup. If it comes and breaks, closes below, that'll be about a 10 pip right there. That'll be a nice setup. Gold. Yeah, I think I'm pretty much gave up on this setup because this candle screwed us. And even if this one pops back into the range, you know, and it's creating level of support here. So then you would look to the left and you'd see this choppiness, these wicks. I don't like it. I do not like it. It is 2:17. London is already open. What up, Alex? Asian session is being fire. Yeah. Look at that. Pushing up now. And I mean, this candle could have been easily a sign of reversal here. Let's see how this 30-minute closes. Maybe pushing up. Wait and see. Let's wait and see. Look at the 30-minute though. Oh, look at this 30-minute on gold. If we can close below, you know, this is nice. 18 pip stop. This will be a nice, yeah, 3.26 reward, almost 60 pips. This looks a lot cleaner. We could take this. This looks like a nice move. We may have some resistance here in these wicks, but if we can break through here, it'd be a nice range. So let's see what this closes like in the next 11 minutes. We shall see. DJ being all weird and shit. Is March 25th, Thursday. And we are looking at a potential setup here for GJ. Buys above this price, buys sells below this price. It's kind of just trying to figure out what it wants to do. Gold, man, gold already pulled all the way up. Damn. Crazy wick. That's pretty common for gold, man. See, like moves like this, that's why like magic keys is pretty nice, because like if you would have came down here, you would have hit this level and that would have been your first take profit, and you could close partials, adjusted to break even or whatever, and the magic keys would have executed this all in like one button, you know. Because it moves so quickly is what I mean. I want something to be able to help you manage that. What's good, Arun? I haven't seen you in a while. Welcome back. Yo, that's funny. Anyways, if you guys are just joining the stream, we have setups here for GJ, potential buys above, potential sells below, and we have setups for gold. Oh, was that gold? Sorry, GJ and gold. Here's the GJ. I was on the gold. But yeah, if you're new here, welcome to Lord Banks FX. I stream every Monday through Friday, London session. So if you want to catch these live streams, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, so you can be notified when I go live. Man, we got 7 minutes on the 30-minute. 15-minute looks ugly. This one looks ugly. Man, London session's been kind of whack since yesterday. I mean, honestly, look at this. I think gold is gonna break down, like just begging to melt. What do you guys think? What are you in right now, Sonny? Poke it a little bit. Poke it some. And if there could be like a the 15-minute doesn't look that great, but the 30-minute, if we could get, you know, close below or stops above the wick, that would be ideal. That would be ideal. That's crazy, dude. Took Euro USD long at 1809. Last night just tapped me out for -1 on trailing stop. Now reverse. Oof. Wait, but your trailing stop was still in the stop loss? Like, how did you lose one pip with the trailing stop? Doesn't it usually activate once you're already like some pips in profit? Got about 3.5 minutes on the 30-minute. So I'm looking here for potential sells below here and potential buys above here. Do stop plus trailing stop. Oh, so look, it's coming down a bit here. We got 3 minutes left. If we can get a close, if we can get a close below here, we will take this sell all day. All day, baby. All day. Come on. I'm ready to execute a trade. This thing's going up, man. Tripping. DJ tripping. It's okay. If gold triggers, we'll take the gold. About 2.5 minutes here. I'm gonna get ready. I'm gonna get ready. Oh wow. Come on, gold. You got 2.5 minutes here. To be about 16 pips stop loss. If it closes, oh. Got about a minute and a half left here. Got about 30 seconds. What are you gonna do, GJ? Got about 20 seconds here. Doesn't look like it's gonna push down on this one. Maybe the next candle. Be right back, guys. Hold on a second. Yo, I'm back. Sorry about that, guys. I don't know what the hell happened. I got like a little nauseous and lightheaded. A little weird, but I'll be alright. I think that Red Bull's like didn't. I don't think my stomach was agreeing with that Red Bull or something. Alright, we're around our area here. DJ is looking about the same. And if we could get a close down here, stops above. Ooh, this might be a nice setup. This might be a better setup than gold now. Gold's top wick is right here. 12 pips. We'll see what happens. What's a 15-minute look like? Okay. About the 5-minute. Okay. J is crossing down right now. 15 looks good. 30 looks good. 5 minutes. Okay. Come on, Red Bull's toxic. I know, man, and I had stopped drinking them for a while. Just recently, drink one during, when I start the London session, because I've been staying up for New York, and then I stay up till noon, and then take a nap, and then I get up. I think I just need to get some rest, to be honest. Damn, GJ, come on. Can we get a nice setup? I just want to take a nice setup, take the trade, and then get some sleep. Gold looks nice too, man. Shit. Even on this 15-minute. Got about 7.5 minutes left. Yeah, Death Wish coffee. I don't drink coffee. Death Wish coffee. That sounds a little extreme, bro. Damn, I don't know if I can. Is that safe to take? Shit. Why do they call it Death Wish, man? Hope I'm not getting sick, man. We're gonna be patient today too. We're gonna be patient because yesterday we got clapped, man. They smacked us in the face and said, "Nah, not today, not today." So make sure whatever we decide to get in, we got to be extra confident about. It'll be a nice setup. My heart goes fast. Oh my god, dude. I'm gonna have to look up that. What did you say it's called? Death Wish coffee? That's crazy. I don't drink coffee, but that sounds a little intense. God, look at GJ, dude. What's wrong with you, GJ? Why can't you just play ball? God, just give me a freaking setup that I like and freaking play out and give me my freaking money and let me go to sleep, man. Yeah. Either way, this is not a bad stop loss right above here. So 8 pips. 8, 9, 10 pips. Be nice. Eyelids stick to the ceiling. Just took my first real trades this week. That's funny, man. Yeah, I don't recommend drinking Red Bulls and stuff, and I had stopped for a while because it would make me feel weird, but like I just started because I was just been doing a lot lately and needed the energy and wanted to stay up, so we're waiting for one of these to play out. We are not in an active trade yet. We are waiting for setup. We have our setup, we're just waiting to give us a confirmation. It's literally at the price. We just need confirmation. Okay, we got about 18 minutes here. Got about 3 minutes here on the 3.5 minutes left on the 15. Okay, look, this is looking nice. This is looking nice. It's about 9 pips. Well, depending on where this. Come on, just close below. Close below. We got the 3 minutes here. 3 minutes. Gold at. Okay, gold's above. So we got 3 minutes. About a 10 pip stop loss if we close it right here. Okay. Okay. Alright, we got about 2.5 minutes left. It looks like maybe GJ is going to be the play. Let's wait for this thing to close. 2.5 minutes. Right here. What does a 5 minute look like? 5 minutes still, 2.5 minutes. On this candle. 15 minute looking nice. 30 minute looking nice. This may be the play. This may be the play because gold looks like pushing up. So maybe our GJ is going to be the play. We got 1 minute and 50 seconds left here. Come on, baby, just close below. Close below. I want you to close below. Got a minute and a half left. Looking nice. Okay, and a half. You are, just stay right there. Okay, minute 18. Still looking nice here. 9.5 pip stop loss right above here. Price is crossing down below. We got about a minute left. Okay. 50 seconds. Still under here. I'll let you know when I jump in. Okay, we got about 30 seconds left here. Remember, let's be patient. Let's make sure we get that candle closure below. No rush here. Limited opportunities. Stay calm, cool, collected. 20 seconds left. Still looking like a nice setup. We want this candle to close just like this. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Okay, Got 1 second left. Candle closed. And yep, I'm jumping in. I'm jumping into a sell there. Went ahead and jumped in. And my price that I got in at was $70 because of the spreads, but I mean, this looks like a nice setup. What does gold look like? I'm not even gonna look at that right now because I'm in an active trade on GJ. We are in an active trade, and we are waiting for this thing to push down. Looks like it was a 13 pip stop loss. We want ideally first take profit to be here. Be 2. And then we can have the down here. Okay. So we're currently in an active trade on a sell for GJ. We did have the 15-minute candle here close below. It's pulling back a little bit. Currently down about 3 pips. It's okay. No biggie here. Yeah. Come on, baby. Just melt. Melt. Just one time it. Yeah, man. I wish I'd out of, because you know, usually when it opens, it's just creating the top wick, just fine. That's a good sign because the top wick will allow us for continuation movement, you know. So I want the top wick. I'm okay with this little pullback, but I'm saying this little pullback would have got us a better entry. Currently down like 5 pips. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Baby, let's go. Nice little top wick formed. Push down. Let's push down. Go down. Go down, baby. Let's go. Trying to get away from the 1 minute unless I see a really good setup. The target. My first target's right here, man. My take profits are right there. 1, 2, 3. Potential of about 37 pips. And my targets are right here. 1, 2, 3. Come on, G. Come on, G. Push down. Got about 9.5 minutes on this 15-minute candle. if I get a candle closure in the 15 above this body, then I will probably close a portion of my position, like half. just letting you guys know, so you I mean, this is how I'm gonna manage my trade, is because the probability, if it closes above this, the probability of it hitting my stop loss is a lot higher. So by reducing my risk, then I'm no longer risking 1%. I'm unlearning. Yeah, I feel you, man. I mean, just, you know, the way I do things is I just categorize it as that's a different strategy, you know. Just don't necessarily have to unlearn it, just tuck it away as a different strategy, you know. Learn different strategies and know what you're going to use for each. So we're currently down about 6 pips here. About 8.5 minutes left, and like I said, if the body of this candle closes above the body of this candle, then I will reduce my risk. So, got my water bottle right. Spent 5 hours yesterday studying price action trading. Nice. What'd you learn, bro? Okay, look. Now we have this candle pushing above, but like I said, I want, if it closes, the body closes above, then I will reduce my risk. But if it just, you know, wicks right here and then moves down, that's fine. Let's wait for candle closure. Obviously, it won't matter if it just goes straight to the stop loss, right? That would suck. Please don't do that. Please don't do that. Down about 8 pips here. 8 pips, like 8.5 pips. Come on, keep pushing down. $30-minute looks kind of crappy. It closes like got about 6.5 minutes left on this 15-minute candle. We're currently in an active trade. If you guys are just now joining us, we are in an active trade here on GJ. Our sell setup triggered, so we took that. Like I said, if this candle closes above this previous candle, I will be reducing my risk. Hopefully it's just a wick to the upside. Session transition is very dynamic. Like studying price action per sessions, I mean. Oh, come on now. Don't do this to me, GJ. Down 10 pips. 5.5 minutes left. Dude, this is probably gonna fuck me right here. Oh. Got 5 minutes left on this candle. It looks crappy. Does not look good. I really hope this is just a wick. Oh, it's about to hit my stop. Yeah, hit my stop. Hit my stop. Put me out. Put me out of my misery, bro. What fucking disaster. It's at 13 pips. Damn. What is wrong with you, GJ? Horrible, man. Horrible, horrible, horrible. Tokyo setting transaction. Oh my goodness, look at this. Came down below our area and just pushed all the way up. Wow, wow, GJ. I'm about to stop trading GJ. That is ridiculous. Yep, got clapped on GJ today. Oh my god. Minus 13 pips. We took a full one risk. 1% risk loss here on GJ. But motherfucker. So currently up 5.56% on the week from our trades. L's lessons, yeah, right, dude. This exact same setup, this exact same freaking like push down and then complete pull up happened yesterday. Look, let's look at yesterday. Was the 24th. Around the same time, right here, this exact same pull down. We got in a little early here and then boom, same freaking setup here, boom. This is ridiculous. It's okay. Look at gold. Oh man, dude. Yeah. I'm not gonna take another. I'm not gonna take another trade. I'm not even gonna give it another chance. It's just like this is killing me, man. I mean, I'm still up for the week and I'm good. It's just when you see these moves, like, just need to like stop, take a quick break, because maybe my psychology's off. Maybe I'm not seeing something here that's causing. Look at this. God dang. Are you kidding me, dude? Look, what is this? Fucking 16 pip pullback. Like, why all of a sudden you have all this freaking strength, GJ? Like, still looks pretty even here. Everybody's still selling over here. Like, why do you pull back in this range? For what? Makes no damn sense. Like the transparency of the banks, other streamers won't show nothing but W's. Yeah, man, it's not about. I mean, shit, dude. There's no. If you're like, losses are part of this. Like, you're never gonna not lose, you know. But even the losses, bro. Like, I'm up 5.5% for the week. If I stop right now with the loss that I took today and yesterday, I'm still up 5.5% for the week. I'm still good. Watch this thing fucking melt now. It'll piss me off. Ridiculous. Your gold is very consistent patterns, respects support resistance. It is, dude, but like gold spikes. Like gold likes the wicks, but where it forms on the bodies, it does respect. On higher time frames, I think, you know, like, because, excuse me, it just, the volatility in it, be wicking it around and stuff. What a horrible, like, see, if we would have waited on the 30-minute, see, this is the lesson to learn here. We entered on the 15. We entered on the 15 because of this freaking candle, right? But if we would have waited on the 30, we would have clearly seen it form right here. And you wouldn't get in until you have the clear break. So because we moved down to the 15 and took that 15, I wasn't strong enough. Pulled back up. So maybe we have to wait for the 30 on that now. Or at least right now the way GJ's been acting. GJ just, yeah. Yep. Look at this, gonna go all the way up. Oh man. Yeah, it is what it is. It is what it is. We'll keep coming back for more. I'm actually gonna log off, guys, because I'm not gonna take another trade. Gold is right here for the setup if you guys want this. But I need to get some rest. I feel like crap. Stomach is killing me and I feel a little nauseous. So if you guys want to screenshot this, take this setup, you know, just make sure to enter on candle closures on the 30-minute, putting your stops above the wick, and you can take that if you'd like. I'm not going to take anything just because I've taken back-to-back losses here, and literally on the same type of issue that I've taken the loss. So I'm just gonna step away, protect my profit for the week. I'll be back tomorrow though. But I appreciate you guys jumping on. I appreciate you guys showing some love, showing some support. I'll be back on tomorrow. Make sure if you are new here, just hit that notification button when you subscribe. That way you'll be notified when I go live. But I'll be back tomorrow, same time. All right. Appreciate it, guys. Peace.